Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to get iTunes gift card using cryptocurrency. So how you can buy them using cryptocurrency. First of all, if you want to any other website that you will not be able to see this option that this website that I'm going to show you right now offers to you guys. Basically, this website that I'm going to show you is allowing you to buy whatever gift card that exists in this world using cryptocurrencies. So, first of all, guys, I will need you to go ahead and open your browser and then go to the URL section and search for Bitterfell or something like that. So, I don't know how to actually say its name, but as you can see here, this is its name, so bitterfell.com. Now, after you search for this website, it will open, so like that, and then all you need to know to do is search for whatever thing you want. As you can see in the space, there is Amazon, Uber Eats, Site Mobile, and Rogers. If you want here, you'll find Uber, Apple, and much more, Airbnb, Hotel.com, and so go on the list. Here you can find even games, so if you want any game, you can find it over here. So now for us, we will need items. So what you're gonna do, click here, search for items, and here we go. So here is Apple iTunes Japan, Turkey, United Arabic, I think something like that. Here Belgium, Poland, Saudi Arabia, CN, Mexico, Australia, Spain, France, Ireland, and so on. So let's say that you are, for example, from I don't know. Let's say something that is not out of stock. So let's say that you are from Spain. Basically, what you have to do is click on it, choose the amount that you want. So this is 10 and 15. Here we go. They will show you here the amount of Bitcoin or USD or CID or whatever coin you want. So Ethereum, SDT, Dash, Dogecoin, Litecoin, etc. So you choose whatever coin you want. And basically, for example, let's choose USDT. So this is the amount you have to pay with USDT. All you have to do is purchase as a gift. Here you put your recipient name, recipient email and message, and then if you want to schedule it on someday, you can just schedule it here, and then make it a birthday gift, and just add to cart, and just like that, you only have to put your Bitcoin address, send it to this website, and just like so, you will be getting this gift card. So yeah guys, that was it with today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.